Hello everyone, today I am going to be teaching some of you beginners how to crochet. So I'm going to just find out the starting. Alright, here it is. So the first thing you're going to do is makes a opening so that you can crochet. So first put the starting of the yarn over your finger once and bring it down, then cross it in an X and then tie it. And then use this yarn that I'm holding and put it over your finger again. And then you take the yarn behind it, put it over the first yarn, then slightly pull. And then you've got a starting. If you want to make it smaller, just pull the yarn. It's gonna kind of take a while for me because I'm not because I can't do things that fast. Alright, there we go. Now grab your hook. This is a hook. And put it through the opening. Yeah, like that. So the first thing we're going to be doing is making a 5-rowed mini blanket. But if you don't know how to do that, follow along. So the first thing you're going to be doing is do as many chains as you want. I'm going to only be doing 7. So first, yarn over like this, like this, and then pull through. That's 1. I'm gonna go slow so that you can follow along. Yarn over, and oh wait, mine's is if your opening is a little small, then just pull the hook with the yarn so that it could get a bit bigger. Alright, continue. Yarn over, pull through, that's 2. Wait, is that 2? Yeah, that's 2. Then again, yarn over, and pull through. Oh wait. If yours gets messed up, it's okay. You can restart. Just pull the yarn. Alright. So like this. Then straighten up my yarn. Hold the bottom. Then continue. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Okay, that's 4. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Wait. Over and pull through. And if yours get way too big, just pull the yarn. Okay, and I'll need 1 more. Oh, this is a mess already. Alright. Yarn over and pull through. And that's 7 chains. You can pause this video if you need to. So, yeah. Let me just move my camera. Now. So the next step we're going to do is make rows. If you already know how to do a row, you don't have to follow along if you don't want to, but if you don't, then follow along. Okay, so you have to go into the second chain, which is this one. If you can't even go to the first one because it's already a knot. So go through go through the second chain like this. Like that. Then you're only going to yarn over and pull through this chain. Or else if you pull through both, then it's going to turn into another chain, thick chain. Right? Yarn over, pull through the chain. Wait, yeah. Then yarn over and pull through both. Then you got a chain starting. See, it's a chain, but it's thick. Then you're going to keep on doing that step, and then you're going to have one single row. All right. Put it in. Wait, did I already go through that one? Yeah, I did. If you see a hole like this, then you'll know that's the one you went into. All right. Now you can also keep your finger on the one that you're about to go on next. So through the chain, yarn over, pull through the chain only, then yarn over, pull through both. See, now you have two, and keep on doing that, and then you'll automatically learn. And if you can do rows, you can make anything. All right. Takes me a little while. So, there we go. Yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, and pull through both. Ta-da! Okay. Yeah, mine's isn't going that well, but it's okay, because practice makes perfect. This is really difficult to do. Arts and crafts are not easy, I have to say. Alright. Yarn over, pull through the chain only, and then yarn over and pull through both. Put through the chain. Oh, wait, mine's is too big. Right, put it up here. Then put it through the chain, yarn over, pull through the chain only, then yarn over and pull through both. Now you should have your first row like this, or it could be a bit longer because I'm just making a small one. See? All right, the next row is going to be a bit difficult, but it's the same thing. So, you can turn this around if you need to, but I'm not going to turn it around because I already am used to it. Alright, so, it's getting off camera. Alright, put it through the second one, then yarn over, and also it's not going to be visible that much. So what you can do is just use your nail and make a slight little open, like a space, if you need. So yeah, you can do that if you need. Right, so yarn over and pull through. Oh, I make mistakes too. This may take a while, but you can skip it if you want. Right. Yarn over. Yarn over and pull through the chain only. Then yarn over and pull through both. Now I'm going to turn mine around because I need to. Like this. See? Now there's another row happening. And a fair warning, mine is turning curvy, so this may not be a square blanket. So if you want, you can do the same thing I'm doing, or if you want, you can just attempt to make a square blanket of your own. Mine's probably going to turn into a triangle. I don't know. All right. Yarn over, and not yarn over. Put through the chain. Yarn over, and only pull through the chain. Then yarn over and pull through both. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's my row is almost finished. So yeah. Put it through. Put it through and then yarn over. Pull through the chain only. Then yarn over, pull through both. Alright, my third row is finished. Now I'm going to move on to my fourth row, my second last row. Right. Put it in, yarn over, pull through the chain only, yarn over, pull through both. I'm going to do it a bit fast, but you don't have to do it fast. Alright. Yarn over, pull through the chain only, yarn over, pull through both. Like that. See? Then put it in the chain, yarn over, pull through the chain only, yarn over, pull through both. Ta-da! Put it in the chain, yarn over, pull through the chain only, yarn over, pull through both. Alright, my fourth row is finished really quickly. So now it's time for my fifth row, the last row. Alright. This is a bit difficult to get and centered. Right. Put it through, yarn over, pull through the chain only, yarn over, and pull through both. And if you still have two left after it's done, then just do it again so that you could get a double chain, and then you could just go through to the third one. Alright, then I'm going to turn around. Right. Arts and crafts are not that easy. So yarn over, pull through the chain only, yarn over, pull through both. And I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Alright, so this is how mine came out, but wasn't expecting this. But you won't have to do this at all, because I am not a master. I can't even make a full human-sized square blanket. Well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to watch more of my videos, like and subscribe down below. Bye, everyone!